Day. God bless all the people that have been working hard all year. Should be happy you have a job sometimes. I don't know, but Lance said there wasn't gonna be no rain today. Scott said he don't believe in Dale Nelson. Dead wrong, Dale. I don't want to see how long it takes for this thing to fly over me with no, we got no weights on them. God bless America. Let's make America great again. God bless Donald Trump, doing a great job in the office. Good job. Keep it up. We've almost offended the entire world, so keep it up, big dog. Yeah, it's from MySpace. Yeah, my neighbor said, hey, don't worry, it's not gonna rain. Song. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Oh no, it says players only play when they're playing. Oh, players only play when they're playing.
No, players only love you when they're
Players only love you when they're playing. Attaboy, cowboy. Attaboy, cowboy. Attaboy. Way to go. Way to go, man. Look, the rain stopped already, Lance.
Get your ass up, hurrah.
Yeah, I hear my neighbor, Lance, Lance say he got that AccuWeather. Got that AccuWeather on lock. He said gonna be a 30% chance of rain. Got no worries, no worries. God bless America.